Hi there everyone, Roberto here with Top 1 Marketing again with another Canva tutorial video. In this tutorial video, I just want to show you about the background removal feature in the Canva editor area for you today, okay? And then we're going to show you a couple other things while we're at it. So without further ado, let's get right into it. So we're going to just create a design. We're not going to do anything specific. Because I just want to show you some features in the Canva editor that are pretty nice and pretty beneficial to have available for us. Okay, so we go to photos right here, and so we can click on one of these photos right here. So these are photos that are available as part of the Canva membership. So we'll go to photos, and then right here we have a couple options right here. We can flip the photo, crop it, adjust some of these settings here. And we got standard filters. Okay, and then when we go to effects, right here is the background remover. Well, before we do the background removal, I want to show you these other filters that are available here for us as well. Like we can change dual tones. Okay, we can pixelate the image, right? We can put a glitch effect on it, and then each one of these, if we double click on it, there's we can adjust some further settings as well. Okay, so there are other premium filters available as well. So be sure to check that out. So let's go ahead and remove this background real quick. It's simple and easy, just a one click. And so there you go. The background is removed beautifully, nice and easy. Let's go ahead and in this background, let's go ahead and change the color in the background so that we can see what's going on here. So you see how it removed the background pretty good. Did a pretty good job on it. So yeah, so that's a good feature for us to have. Now it works as well for images or photos that we upload ourselves as well. Let's go ahead and remove this, and let's upload this picture right here of my wife, and let's go ahead and remove that background. And so there you go, the background is removed. Let's go ahead and change this color, make it maybe a red real quick. Okay, so as you can see, it did a pretty good job. And so I just wanted to let y'all know that we have this ability available for us in the Canva editor. And so that's all that I have for you today. If you have any questions, just drop them in the comments section. If you care about what we're doing, give us a like, give us a thumbs up, give us a share, subscribe to our channel so that you can be notified any other time we come out with a tutorial video, a review video, or any kind of digital marketing video that would be of interest to you. So again, thank you, and we'll see you on the next one.